Here are the 3 best Premiere Pro shortcut keys that I use for every video editing project that not only saves hours but also helps to complete the project on time. The first shortcut key is to add edit to all the tracks. If I want to cut the multiple clips that are stacked one above one, I select the razor tool and cut each clip. This razor tool is okay if you are editing a timeline that has only one video track. But what if it has multiple tracks and you want to cut all the tracks at once? On that time, this option is really helpful. I'm already using this shortcut key. If I press the X key on my keyboard, the entire clips are separated. To change the keyboard shortcuts, go to the top and there select the edit option. You get a pop-up like this. From here, select keyboard shortcuts. On the search, type add edits to all tracks. Now you can give any key as you like. The second shortcut key is for ripple trim previous edit to playhead. Basically what it does is after placing your playhead in the timeline, if you press this shortcut key, the entire timeline that is previous to this playhead, that means the left side of the playhead, is deleted. Trust me, this is a very time saving shortcut. Also do note that this is only useful for separate clips. If your timeline has different clips that are already separated, this one is only applied to the track where the playhead is there. To change the shortcut key for this, go to edit, then select keyboard shortcuts. On the search, type ripple trim previous edit to playhead. Now you can add the shortcut key you like. The third shortcut key is also acts the same as the previous one, but it is on a different side, that is the opposite side. To make the changes for this shortcut, go to edit and choose the keyboard shortcuts. On the search, type ripple trim next edit to playhead. Now enter the shortcut key as you like. For demonstration, here is how these 3 shortcut keys work. If I want to cut all clips at once in the timeline, I press the X key. The second shortcut key is if I want to remove all the clips on the left side, I press Q button. The third shortcut key is if I want to remove all the clips on the right side, I press W key. Of course, you need to use these shortcuts for a couple of days or hours to get used to it. Trust me, after using these shortcut keys, you never go back. Still, there are more shortcut keys I use, but for this video, I only shared 3. In future, I share more shortcut keys I use. I hope this video is really helpful for you and helps you to save a lot of time in the editing process. If you want to know some more tips and tricks for Premiere Pro, here is the complete playlist that I posted already.